what we shall be discussing is variables and some arithmetics we can do with Python. So in Python, to create a variable, what you do is give the variable a name. I can say name. Then use the equality sign, a single equality sign, to assign a value to the variable. I can say my name is Nwafor-Tech. In Python, you usually do not give a data type to a variable, unlike languages like C and C++, where you use int for integers, also float for floating point numbers as well. In Python, you do not give the data type, you just give the variable name and then the equality sign and assign the value to it. So if I should type name, you see I get back Nwafor-Tech. So how do we then do arithmetics with Python? In order to do arithmetics with Python, what you need to do is say 3 plus 4. This gives me 7. If I do 5 minus 6, this gives me -1. From our mathematics knowledge, we all know that this is very correct. So to do multiplication in Python, what you do is you use the asterisk symbol. For instance, if I want to do 5 times 2, what I'll do is 5 asterisk 2. That's the same thing as 5 times 2. This will give me 10. Then if I want to do 5 raised to power 2, that is 5 to the power of 2, what you do is double asterisk 5 asterisk 2. That will give you 5 raised to power 2, which is equal to 25. In Python, we also have the modulus operation. For you to do the modulus operation, you need to use the percentage symbol. From mathematics, we know that what the modulus does is the modulus operation does is to return the remainder of the supposed division of the numbers. For instance, if we do 5 modulus 2, what we get is 1. What this means is that 5 divided by 2 will give us a remainder of 1. Modulus usually do not return a fractional value, it returns the remainder of the operation. If the remainder is 0, it will return 0 to you. For instance, if I do 5 modulus 5 divided by 5 is equal to 5. So, and there is no remainder, so what this will give to us is 0. So that is how the modulus operation works. Now, a recap of what we've just done. To do additions, we use the normal addition symbol, which is the plus sign, which is 3 plus 4. For using it as an example, will give us 7. Then to do the normal subtraction, we use the subtraction symbol, which is the minus sign. 5 minus 2 will give us 3. Then to do multiplication, we use the asterisk, a single asterisk to do multiplication. 5 times 4, this will give us 20. Then to raise a number to a given power, we use double asterisk 4, that is 5 raised to power 4 will give us 625, which is very correct. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching.